Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to fix YouTube video quality not changing on Android devices. Here I will show you 5 different methods to solve this YouTube video quality issue. In first method, you can manually check flash player error or outdated flash player on your PC devices. First of all, check if flash player update is available or install the latest version of Adobe Flash Player on your device. After this, you can try uninstall YouTube updates on your device. Go to settings, tap on apps and notification, see all apps. At the end of the page you can find YouTube app, tap on it, tap on 3 vertical dots at top right corner, tap on uninstall updates, tap on OK. When you tap on OK, it will replace YouTube app to factory version. All data will be removed. After complete uninstall update, now go to Play Store in your device and update the YouTube app and check YouTube video quality issue fixed or not. If can't fix issue, clear cache of YouTube app using apps and notification setting. Go to settings, apps and notification, YouTube, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Now check YouTube video quality issue fixed or not. In the end of the last, you can force stop YouTube app, tap on YouTube app, tap on a force stop, tap on OK to force stop YouTube app. Now check YouTube video quality issue fixed or not in your device. That's it. If do you have any alternative method? If yes, then please share with us in the comment box. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.